Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are doing baked beans for your braai, your BBQ or breakfast. Let's take them a notch up. I hope you enjoy them. Optionally, we will start by frying bacon. You don't have to add it if you wouldn't like to have it. Heat the oil in a pan and fry bacon. Otherwise, you skip this step and begin it with the next one after the bacon. A warm welcome to those that are new to this channel. I hope you enjoy your stay. Add chopped onions, and green peppers, and stir. Sprinkle garlic powder, or you can add fresh garlic and stir. If you don't have it, it's okay to continue without it. Add brown sugar and stir. We want that caramelized taste on them. Add your baked beans. Stir allows time for them to be absorbed. Add barbecue sauce and stir. After you stir all the time, just give it 2-3 minutes to be absorbed or to be blended with other ingredients. Add mustard sauce and stir. Add salt to taste. Please remember, bacon has salt already, so if you're adding, add a little bit. Black pepper to taste, sprinkle. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Taste your food and make adjustments if necessary, and allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes before serving it. We serve it hot. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and tell me how you prepare your baked beans. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.